Look, the reason why I called for this meeting is nothing else but to let you people know that me, I don't have anything against you. Eh? I don't have anything against. Look, as I have forgiven all of your atrocity that you committed against me. Eh? You people pursue me from this compound. I did not do anything innocent. But God is a might. God is the only person that knows truth. So I want to say, I have forgive you. You too, whatever I have done to you, forgive me. Because nobody knows tomorrow. And I want to also say, now that you are no more the caretaker, you should remove your eye from anything that concerns caretaker. Because I don't like somebody interfering in my caretakership. You have done your own regime. Your regime, we did not put eye for you. Don't put eye for me. And I want to also say thank you, all of you, for voting me in as the caretaker of the...
Stop that nonsense you are talking! Who voted you in? Who voted you in, Mark? Who voted you in as caretaker? Is landlord aware of your existence in this compound? Listen to me. Your days are numbered in this compound. Who voted you in? What nonsense are you talking? Oh, you think I'm being a lawyer from nowhere and force us to sign a document? I will not make sure the landlord hear everything that happened in this compound.
Mr. Azu, shut up! Caretaker.
No. Continue. Back on.
No, you think I'll keep quiet. I will finish it up. I will make sure that I'm not here. Listen, let me tell you. Our constitutional right is to make sure we get a barrister that will interpret that document we sign. We cannot just sign a document without our own barrister. If everybody can keep quiet, me as well, I will not keep quiet. I know my rights. I will call landlord. We have to look into that document. You bet you can bring lawyer from anywhere to come and present something. I will sign it. You fair, Mark. Mark will not go. I will not fall to that. Nonsense. Wait, what's Mr. Azu backing?
No, let him back. At least the street people now know that our dog is active. Eh? If he does not back now, they will think our dog is sleeping. Let him back. You people should allow him. Is it the way he has been backing since? That means there is security in this compound. Let him back. We have backer in this compound. No, at least no criminal can enter our compound and say he wants to come and collect something. Since our dog is busy doing whoa. There is no need. Mr. Azu, back. Look. Let us start buying canned food for our dog. Let us buy him dog meat so that he can get fat. It's good. Let everybody know that our dog is big. At least we are trying. We are training our dog. Mr. Azu, back. Dog. Azu. Look, let us start training him on how to bite. It's not only back. He will be backing. By the time people enter here, he will first of all grab them. We will know that our dog is active. Mr. Azu. Mr. Azu.
This thing is becoming serious, so.
Wanyocha.
Sir.
What is Mark doing in this compound?
Sorry, landlord. I'm sorry I did not inform you about the decision I made about my resignation. I resigned and handed over to Mr. Mark due to some emergencies in the compound. And the duty is so heavy, I can't handle it.
You resign and on your own gave back the caretakership to Mark without telling me.
Landlord, don't even ask her again. If she cannot tell the reason, I will tell you. They all keep him quiet. Mark came and brought one lawyer from nowhere and told us to sign the documents, telling us to say we will go to prison if we don't sign the documents. They say sign. I signed. Wanyocha signed. Let them open up and tell you. Mark forced us to sign that document. That was the reason why she resigned.
What? A lawyer? Document in my compound? Wanyocha, you signed a document in my compound? Wanyocha?
I did not sign any document, though.
Beste, what about you?
Sammy?
Did you sign any document in this compound?
Sir, I don't want to allow. I did not sign any document, though. I did not sign any document.
And you, Mimi?
Landlord, I've not been in the compound. I don't know what they're talking about, though.
What of you, Berry?
Landlord, I don't know anything about this document.
Landlord, don't mind them. They are all being coward. All of them signed. Wanyocha signed. Beste signed. I signed. Mark brought a barrister to this compound and forced us to sign. They all signed. I wonder why they keep him quiet. They are all coward.
Hey. Azu, hold it there. Wanyocha.
Sir?
Why would you allow Mark to come back to this compound without letting me know.
Sir, please calm down. It's not entirely her fault, though. As a matter of fact, we tried all our possible best to reach out to you. But it's like you don't have network in your village. So we could not reach out to you. That's why we all unanimously agreed to reinstate Mark as the caretaker.
You must be stupid, but then if you are saying we punch the people, I never agreed for Mark to come back, talk about becoming a caretaker. Who is we? But then who is we? Mr. Azu, it's okay. From the look of things, it appears everybody in this compound unanimously agreed that Mark should come back as caretaker. Mr. Azu, I don't know where you got this your story. There's no evidence to prove what you told me, that they signed a document. Everybody here has denied signing any document, Mr. Azu. And for that, I have to go by what the people have said, members of my compound, that Mark should be reinstated back as the caretaker of this compound. Mr. Mark.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
But let there be peace in this compound. I don't want any problem in this compound. And I don't want any wrong information from anybody. Not even you, Mr. Azu. Did I make myself clear? All right. I think I have to leave. Thank you.
Whoa! No, landlord, is like you forgot your dog here. Did landlord not come here with chain? Landlord should have come with chain to drag his dog that is backing. You're back. It's like you want to learn how to accuse people. If you want to learn how to accuse, you call me, I will teach you. You don't just call people anyhow and start accusing them. Look, ask Besten. Besten is my student. You're backing. Look, the next time you will try this rubbish, you will end up in jail. This jail that you are not fearing, as you are a dog, you think that dog cannot go to jail. They will open your cage and throw you inside. No, now, you should have followed your owner. Your owner has gone. You are staying back. What are you staying back for? Do you have pavo? If you have pavo, you tell us, let us treat you. Azu. Follow me. No, come back. Come now. Back up. Azu. You think you can eliminate me just like that? You just call landlord. Landlord will eliminate me. I have been a caretaker of this house for years. You just come in and think you can eliminate me like that. Look, I will eliminate you first from this compound, you will see.
Don't worry. Mr. Azu, thank God I saw you now. Mr. Azu, see, I like the way you were gingering there. I like the way you were hollering.
You are very, very stupid. Did you hear me? You are very, very mad. You like what I was doing, but you kept quiet. All of you in this compound, nobody could say anything. You kept quiet. Let's hear it to go. You want Mark in this compound. Let's see what will happen.
Mr. Azu, calm down.
Calm down about what?
Just calm down. Calm down. Let's not go into that. See, by the way, as a matter of fact, you're alone in this matter. You are just on your own in this matter.
If standing on the truth will make me to be alone, let me be alone. If saying the truth will make me to be alone, let me be alone. You all are cowards. Nobody to say anything. Everyone just keep quiet. Don't worry.
Mr. Azu, calm down. Calm down. What do you want me to say? Didn't you read the document that says 5 years imprisonment? You want me to go to 5 years imprisonment? Does 5 years look like 5 days? Mr. Azu, calm down. See, as a matter of fact, don't worry. Don't worry, there's a way to go about this. See, all you need now to remove Mark from this compound is that document. That document which we all signed.
Yes. You're talking like someone who doesn't have sense. How do we get the document? You are the one the lawyer left with that document. How do we get that document?
Mr. Azu, calm down. You're always shouting. Allow me to give you the gist. See, Mr. Azu, like I said, all you need is that document. The lawyer, whether the lawyer wins the document or the lawyer no go, can the lawyer be bought? The lawyer can be bought over. Was Fanny Kayode not bought? What is there to buy the lawyer over? That one is charge and bail lawyer self. He's not even a good lawyer. He's charge and bail lawyer. We can buy him over. But not to worry. Even if you can't buy the lawyer over, I can talk to Mark. You know I'm very close to Mark. I can get words from his mouth to know where he kept the document, if he's the one with it or he has the copy of it or whatever. I can do that. So relax. Mr. Azu, I am here for you. Mark, I am here for you. See, I am suddenly behind you. Don't mind this Mr. Azo and all these things he's saying. Do you know that I just finished speaking with him now? Do you know what he's saying? He's looking for a way to get hold on that document. And when he gets hold of that document, you are finished. So my own advice to you as my own personal caretaker is for you to hide that document very well. Hide it where no eye, no nose, no ear can even see or hear about it. Hide it very well.
See, as I'm talking to you now, that document is inside my house. No, I did not see. Nobody can see it. See, that document, you know that my drawer that is on the right side of my door.
Okay, the one, is it the one with the 2-door cupboard?
Yes. That I just open it like this. I put it inside there. Nobody can see it.
Nobody will go there.
Mr. Azo think he has sense. Let him go and look for the document.
But Mark, you have to carry your voice down so that, you know, they say the walls have ears. Before you hear it now, know that you kept it there.
No, he will not know.
He will not know, Abi?
Yeah, document that I hide. How will he not come and open it? Don't worry. He will not find the document.
You are very smart. Mr. Azo, I just finished speaking with Mark now. See, you see that document we need? It's in his room. Yes, it's in his room. And that is good news for us. See, let me tell you where it is. When you enter his room, the door is by the right-hand side. Okay. Just check inside the door. You will see the document there. That's what he told me. The document is there.
You know Mark is so smart. So how do I get into the house?
Mr. Azo, leave that to me. See, this brain is not for fancy. Native sense. See, I will go and distract him. Okay. I will take him out. Okay. While we are going out, you just rush very fast. You have to be fast. Take out the document. And later you present to landlord. And that we have won the case.
I pray it works.
You know, it will work. It will work, so you have to be fast. Okay?
You just have to go inside. I didn't see you.
No problem. No problem. Let me go now.
Please, I don't know what we are doing here. Because me, as you can see, I am dressed up to go out. Who called for this kind of meeting? Where's Mimi?
She went to the market too, and she's not yet back.
Who called for the meeting?
I did not call any meeting.
Biaibere, did you call for meeting?
No.
Wanyocha, is it you that called for meeting?
It's not me, oh.
Who called for meeting? Is it you?
Stop panicking. Don't worry. Very soon you know the reason for this meeting. Just relax. Don't worry. Welcome, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Landlord, good afternoon.
Welcome, sir.
Thank you.
Stop walking around. I called for the meeting. Landlord is here. Nonsense.
Mr. Azo, you called me for a meeting.
Yes, sir.
What is it all about?
Sir, you are asking for documents. This is evidence on how he came into this compound.
Landlord, before you even open, let me tell you something. This thing Mr. Azo is doing is not right. Mr. Azo was trying to sell your house yesterday. That is why he's doing this. Do you know he was trying to sell a landlord house yesterday? Yesterday, I was stopping him. If not that I came and said, why are you people selling landlord house? I said, why will he sell landlord house when I am still here? Then I will not wake up tomorrow. They will sell, I should pack out.
Will you stop that nonsense? Landlord is trying to use tricks on us. Open the document and see. I said, here he came into this compound. Nonsense.
No, it's okay. Landlord, the open document.
Mr. Azo, you signed this?
Yes, I signed it. That was how you came into this compound. I signed the document personally. Wanyocha signed. Beste signed.
Wanyocha,
Sir?
did you sign this document?
No, I did not sign, no.
Huh?
Beste, what about you?
I did not sign anything, no.
Even you.
Mr. Azo, did you look at this document well before signing?
Yes, I looked at it. I signed.
And you signed a deed of conveyance to sell my compound. Huh? You signed a deed of conveyance to sell my property. Azu, I am disappointed.
Before you disappointed him, I was disappointed in him the first time he entered this compound. The first time he stepped his leg inside this, I knew that this man is a thief. After telling you yesterday, begging you, please don't sell landlord property, you still went ahead to go and sign document that is not your property. Thief!
Well, you know what? Mark, handle this. I trust your capability. Handle this.
It's okay, sir.
What nonsense!
That is what I do for a living.
You signed a document to sell my property? Mark, get me a report.
I will handle it. That is what I do for a living. This Mr. Azu you are seeing here, he was a thief. Was he not in worry that you were stealing before they caught you and took you to prison? He is a prison convict. But today, your cup has full. Best 10, and one your child, you people should go and lock his door.
Me?
You don't want to lock his door. Oh yeah, you people should also lock her door.
I'll lock it. I'm going.
Ebere, go and call police. You are not leaving this company. Today I will tell you that I'm the rightful owner of this caretakership. Nonsense. Thief!
Mark, how do you do this?
Listen, I'm coming, oh! That's why I told you, if you want to learn to work, come and meet me to learn work. This one you are doing now is you are doing it on the children level. I will teach you, I will upgrade you to the adult level. Thief! Thanks for watching that Mackenzie TV Vine. See you next Friday. Don't forget to come back here and watch Mr. Lawansi Family Show. Please subscribe. If you have not subscribed to this channel already, please subscribe. See you next Friday.
I don't have anywhere to sleep this night. Allow me to sleep today now.
It's when police finish with you. You don't worry, you don't have a place to sleep. You will sleep inside cell. You people should not open that gate, oh. See you next Friday with another content. You people should. You are not going anywhere. You think you have sense. I will tell you today that I am the rightful owner of this caretakership. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, subscribe. See you next Friday. Yeah, you going? Come here.